Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and from the title of today's video, you know what we'll be doing. We'll be putting up our Christmas tree, and yeah, I'm excited. I got this Christmas tree from Amazon, and it's a 9-foot flock tree, and it's pre-lit. Love it, love it, love it. And I'll show you the reason why I bought this tree, because in previous year I had just had a green tree and I said I wanted to spruce it up a little bit. So here I'm just adding the stands. Okay. And each of these section of the tree is labeled from A to B or to D, I think. And yeah, I'm just getting everything arranged so that I could start from the top. And guys, this tree is as high as my ceiling. My ceiling is 9 feet. And yes, this tree is 9 feet. Yeah, loving it, loving it, love it. Oh my God. Guys, I'm just screwing down each section of the tree, and there you see I'm adding on my gloves. That is provided in the box for me to set up this tree so that I don't get all the flocks on my hand. Yeah, so I'm just opening it up right now, fluff it up so that I could open the branches. Yeah, this is so cute. Love it, love it. Did I say that before? Love it, love it. So this is a section where I realized that, yeah, this tree is actually tall. It's actually tall. This was a section that let me know, hey, this tree is humongous. Guys. But anyhow, I love my new Christmas tree. Oh my God. I had to bend it a little bit between you and I to um let it fit, because it was touching the ceiling. Yeah. And right here, why wasn't I using the ladder? Why wasn't I using the ladder right here? Right? Oh my God. So Taylor is here helping me to decorate the tree. Thank you, Madam Taylor, for helping me to decorate this year's tree. Guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick hack. I purchased my Christmas decor. So whatever theme I'm gonna use for the house for the year to come. So I purchased them on Boxing Day before because it's cheaper, right? So you go to all the stores, you see whatever they have available, and then you buy it. And that way you're buying it cheap, right? And you know, we want the place to look nice on a budget. So yeah, that's the hack. No, I didn't inside big box. So guys, I'm just quickly checking out all that big box has to offer for Christmas decor this time around, and honestly, they sell these stuff cheap. like the Christmas tree that I bought, you'll see them in a later clip. But these gold Christmas tree here, they're so inexpensive. Yeah, I love them. And you'll see what I will take them and do with them. But yeah, these are big box Christmas decor section. And I think I got those, they're called birch trees as well. Yeah, these right here. I got two and I put it outside and they're really cheap. I think I got it for like $69. So yeah, love my birch trees. So I'm just walking around checking everything else out and seeing what I could add to my collection of decor items, as I tell you before. Fall decor that I have going on. None of you guys gonna see these, but I'm gonna take down my fall decor and put up my Christmas decor stuff. And guys, I don't want to talk about it right now. Let's leave it for another time. Ooh, maybe I could just do the when I'm done. The lanterns I got from Dollarama and the gold Christmas trees, I got them from Big Box. So look how they just add a little difference to the dining room table. And the wreath, you know, I got them from Home Depot. So yeah, simple classic way of changing your space and letting it look so Christmassy and just magical, right? This is so beautiful. Guys, this is what I came up with. This is how I'm thinking of setting it. For now, let's see how it is gonna look. Here, I have a lot of cleaning up to do. And then I'm gonna put some little decor pieces around it. And then see how it turns out. Guys, right here I'll be adding some ribbon to the Christmas tree to just elevate it and spruce it up and give it that bomb look. So yeah, it really add definition to the tree by just adding this ribbon. It looks so beautiful, honestly. Love it. You guys could try adding ribbon to your trees too and tell me what you think. Or comment below if you use ribbon in your tree. Let me know. Because this is something new that I started using. And you know what? I've even seen videos where people use just buy a tree and add like a big bow to it. So yeah. So this is the front door. I did this design last year. Um I I'm just gonna maybe add the green ones to it. So I'm just gonna fluff it up, but it's out here already. So let's go inside. And then when you come inside, this is the Christmas tree right over there. And then I need to fix this table here. I need to fix that. And then the centerpiece. The centerpiece has a lot of stuff going on over there. Ignore that. Here we have the updated version of the centerpiece and the console table. And I've just add some stuff that I got from Shein, Winners. Yeah, Shein actually. I got those vase with those Christmas tree leaves or whatever you call them, and then the books Shein as well. So yeah, this is cutesy, very demure, very mindful. And I got that bead from Dollarama, I believe. Yeah, very nice. Love it. And you know I have that gold trail. This why I'm the love over here. So guys, this is how the island is looking so far, with these little Christmas trees here. Over here we have the dining table, and this is like a more updated video after we finished decorating. This is how the setup is looking, and I have some Christmas cake here in my display. I'm gonna show you how I bake that. That's the next video that will be out shortly, so stay tuned for that. And then over here we have our lovely Christmas tree. Look at that, guys. And then I added some of Kyron's craft that he did from school and stuff. So yeah, this is how the tree is looking. So beautiful. And I have these lights ears now, so don't mind that. But this is how magical this tree is looking. Don't you love it? Anyways, guys, this is where I'll be ending the video for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and Merry Christmas if I haven't said it yet, or the video will be out. So Merry Christmas to one and all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these are from Temu. These Christmas boxes are from Temu. Yeah, love it. This is so pretty.